Building your first AI agent the path that actually works. Stop getting stuck in the hype. Here's the real roadmap. I've watched countless developers get excited about AI agents, only to abandon their projects because everything felt too abstract or overwhelming. If you're serious about building your first working agent, here's the proven path I've used successfully multiple times. The foundation: think small, win big. Start with one crystal clear job. Forget the dream of a general agent for now. Pick something specific. Book a doctor's appointment from a hospital website, monitor job boards and send you matching positions, or summarize unread emails in your inbox. The smaller and clearer the problem becomes, the easier it becomes to design and debug. Choose your base model wisely. Don't waste precious time training your own model. Use what's already proven: GPT, Claude, Gemini, or open source options like Llama and Mistral if you need self-hosting. Focus on structured outputs and reliable reasoning. That's your foundation. The interface: connecting to reality. Decide how your agent touches the world. This is where most people get stuck. Your agent needs tools: APIs for email and calendar access, web scraping capabilities, file operations. Common examples include Gmail API, Outlook API, Google Calendar, or simple web scraping with libraries like Playwright or Puppeteer. Build the heartbeat loop. This is the core that makes everything work. Model processes information and decides on an action. Tool executes that action, result comes back, model evaluates and decides the next step. This loop continues until the task is complete or the user gets their final output. The implementation: start simple, scale smart. Keep memory lightweight. Beginners often think agents need massive memory systems immediately. Not true. Start with simple short-term context. If your agent needs to remember things across runs, use a basic database or even a JSON file. Only add sophisticated vector databases when you actually need them. Wrap it in something usable. CLI is perfect for your first iteration. Once it's working, give it a simple interface: a web dashboard using Flask or a fast API, a Slack or Discord bot, or even just a script that runs on your machine. Make it usable beyond your development environment. Iterate in small, fast cycles. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Run real tasks, identify where it breaks, patch the issues, and run again. Every reliable agent I've built has gone through dozens of these improvement cycles before becoming truly dependable. Control your scope ruthlessly. It's tempting to keep adding features and tools. Resist that urge. A single, well-functioning agent that can book appointments or manage your email is infinitely more valuable than a universal agent that keeps failing at everything. The learning path. The fastest way to truly understand AI agents is to build one complete end-to-end system that actually works in the real world. Once you've shipped that first working agent, creating the next one becomes exponentially easier because you understand the full pipeline. Your next step? Here's the key question that will define your journey. If you had to pick just one real task in your current workflow to turn into an AI agent today, what would it be? Start there. Build that. Make it work. Everything else becomes clearer after you've completed that first successful loop.